everyone, how are you today? I hope you have a beautiful day. So today we gonna learn A, okay, A, youth with kata and ota. So A, okay, A, youth with the place where you want to go, kata, or the place where you want to come, ota. Okay, you just add the place where you want to go or to come. For example, you want to go Germany, you just add Germany in front of A and kata. Or you want come to Thailand, you just add Thailand, A and ota. Okay, I will show example. Okay, so 태국 is Thailand. 태국에, okay, you see A. When you read, you need add 태국 and A. 태국에 가다. Do you remember? You need remove 다. 태국에 가요. I go to Thailand. I'm go to Thailand. Okay. So next example. You want to ask someone, or the is the place also. It means where, or the where. So where is the place also? So you need add A or DA 가요. 어디에 가요? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay. 어디에 가요? Where are you going? So I am going to school. 학교 is school, right? Okay. 학교. Okay. Okay. 학교, school. So you need add A behind the place. 학교에 가요. Easy, right? Okay. 어디에 가고 싶어요. You can use with verb with another gamma as well. 어디에 가고 싶어요? Where do you want to go? Tokyo. Okay, Tokyo, Germany. Tokyo. Don't forget to add a behind the press. Tokyo. Ka go chip po yo. I want to go to Germany. Okay. So see the next example. Okay, you can use with onje. Onje is when. Onje. So this sentence for sure will be question sentence. 언제 태국에 와요? When you come to Thailand, 언제 태국에 와요? When you want to ask the question, you need use the high sound 와요, like this. Okay. 언제 태국에 와요? When you come to Thailand. Okay. So I want to go to Thailand tomorrow. 내일 태국에 가요. You need remove question mark. Okay. 내일 태국에 가요. Because before I asked 언제 태국에 와요? When you come to Thailand. And then when you answer, you need change the verb and remove question mark like this. 내일 태국에 가요. Tomorrow I go to Thailand. Okay. So more example. 언제 미국 언제 미국에 가요? 언제 미국에 가요? When you go to USA. Okay. Or another example. 언제 바다에 Ohio. When you go to the sea, or 가고 싶어요. Remember, I teach you about 고 싶어. Put behind the verb. So this is the pattern. I hope it's easy for you. You just add the press in front of A. So this can use with only kata and ota. To go or to come only. So I hope this video easy for you and understand this grammar, and you can use in the real life. So if you have question, you can leave the comment under this video. Okay, so I will come to answer your question if you don't understand something. If you like this video, don't forget put thumbs up and subscribe my channel here and learn another lesson this and this, or share to your friend. So we see you again next lesson. Bye bye everyone. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.